Use cumcount on pandas dataframe with a conditional increment. Consider the dataframe. I want to find a cumulative, running, count, starting at 1, for each key, where we only increment if the previous value in the group at cond equals 1. When appended to the above dataframe, this would give Note that essentially the cond values of the last rows in each key group have no effect. Just doing a simple group and cumcount. Of course doesn't account for the cond value of the previous element. How can I take this into account? Edit. As some of the solutions below don't work on some edge cases, I will give a more comprehensive dataframe for testing. Which when appending the true result should give.
Use groupby with combination of shift and cumsum.
Use groupby with custom lambda function with shift for previous values. Replace first name by backfilling if possible first value is 0 per key and last cumsum with convert to int.
Ja, ganz das Mode. Ja, das kann ich das